thought you said to leave these fucking stairs, dude. What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
They didn't have a level back when they built this place. Ready?
Pound Town.
Pound Town.
Okay, your keys. We're going to town. I get some make mini nails, please.
You got it.
This is the 410th stake I've driven by myself, and nobody's helped me. Not one. 4 hours later.
Here, nail it.
And nobody helped.
I'll help by getting out of the way.
This is the 600th board I've fucking cut by myself, and not one person's helped me.
Oh my god, we're gonna need to put that in a cooler.
911, what's your emergency?
Ah!